1,000 traders in the Kasoa Old Market are anxious about the possible loss of their livelihoods following the decision by the Ewutu East Municipal Assembly to redevelop a section of the market. Or traders say they will not be in a position to afford rent for lockable stores that will be constructed at a temporary structure that contains them are demolished. Central Regional Correspondent Kasoa Old has more on this report.
The traders are apprehensive about the possible loss of their spaces after the completion of the intended project. They say their livelihood may suffer dire consequences.
So I'm Papa ni mama papa wo me nko ana me hwe wo ebi wo secondary school ebi wo JSS ansa na nketo wo wo apete yase na medidi me ma me maduane ye bibia me tia dan ka apete yase wo me wo store sika e na store no so mo bebubu no no me gidi say omo wo ma omo de be ma wo mbe ni sika bona se omo kola omo turo mu dindi da project no mo baye ni no omo njai omo kwa pass ase foforo no omo kwa nkesi no omo njai se every day biano ehia for nesika for de bia mo yesika for
aya store no amusi no aya old currency aya 1 billion ana amusi no and ti so am ka kire se wo nipa ba ko ntumi nya nipa ba 4 and 5 makabo maji store no ba ko and uti na se aya ho no ye tu ye nyina afiri ho store no ye se awie kura ye dwarefo no bia na obenya bi ye ba wie na assemblyman e gene de MP e gene de ono agasa friends MC ono so e gene de ye dwarefo no ba kura no wa ye benya.
According to leadership of the Kasoa Petty Traders Association, close to 1,000 petty traders will be directly impacted should the assembly carry on with its decision.
So if it is being demolished and can contain only 80 to 120 people, me as the secretary for Petty Traders Association, in our data, I have more than 800 people under the shade. So out of 800 people, and you are demolished to bring 120 people in existence.
In 2019, the Assembly, in partnership with CATSEC, a private firm, constructed temporary structures for the traders. Leadership of the Kasoa Petty Traders Association argue the 30-year public-private partnership agreement is still operational and demanding that it receives accordance. Secretary of the association, Apia Roger, told ChannelOne News they look forward to extensive engagement with authorities on the matter.
However, continued neglect of our legitimate concern regarding this building project risks exhibiting tensions unnecessary. We therefore urge the both municipal chief executive and the honorable member of parliament to act within humility and renewed sense of duty.
These traders are apprehensive over the possible loss of their livelihood. They are therefore calling on the assembly to reconsider its decision. For the ChannelOne newsroom, I am Kasoa Old.